Looking for a legendary escape this summer? Let the road lead you into the wild. Leave the familiar behind and venture into breathtaking beauty and untamed wilderness. From volcanic wonders to ancient forests, each park tells a unique story in the epic tale of our planet. Here are the 5 most epic national parks for your summer road trip. Let the adventure begin. Our journey begins in Yellowstone, the world's first national park. Here the Earth's power is on full display, a vast volcanic caldera where steam vents and geysers remind us of the planet's living core. Summer brings Yellowstone to life. Rivers swell with snowmelt, meadows burst with wildflowers, and wildlife emerges everywhere. Bison calves and bear cubs explore under the watchful eyes of their mothers. The air is fresh with pine and earth, and the wild soundtrack fills every valley. Old Faithful erupts with clockwork precision, a dramatic plume of boiling water and steam. The Grand Prismatic Spring dazzles with its vivid rings of color, a living work of art. For a deeper experience, hike the Hayden or Lamar Valleys, North America's Serengeti, where wolves and grizzlies roam. The Yellowstone River carves the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone, plunging over waterfalls twice the height of Niagara. Artist Point offers breathtaking views of the canyon's colorful walls. Summer weather is unpredictable. Layer up and be ready for anything. The $35 entrance fee covers 7 days of exploration. Gateway towns like Jackson, Cody, West Yellowstone, and Gardner offer supplies and lodging. Staying inside the park, whether in a lodge or campground, means waking to mountain air and star-filled skies. Yellowstone is a living laboratory, a sanctuary, and a reminder of our planet's wild origins. It connects us to ancient forces and the ongoing story of creation. To visit is to witness the Earth's power and beauty firsthand. Plan ahead, respect the wild, and let Yellowstone leave its mark on your soul. This is more than a park, it's a journey into the heart of the continent. Are you ready to answer the call? Let's move on to our next epic destination. Next, we head south to Utah's Zion National Park, a place of vertical grandeur and sanctuary. Zion's towering sandstone cliffs, painted in cream, pink, and red, rise dramatically from the canyon floor. The Virgin River carves a lush oasis through the desert, creating a ribbon of green life. Summer here is intense. Heat drives life to the river's edge, where cottonwoods offer shade and cool water beckons. The Narrows, Zion's iconic hike, takes you wading through the river between soaring canyon walls. Each bend reveals hanging gardens, hidden waterfalls, and sculpted grottos. The experience is immersive, cool water, echoing sounds, and shifting light. Prefer to stay dry? The Emerald Pools Trail leads to waterfalls and lush pools tucked within the canyon. The Paris Trail offers a gentle stroll or bike ride with stunning views of formations like the Watchman. Summer crowds mean the main canyon is shuttle only. Plan ahead and check schedules. Start early, carry water, and watch for flash flood warnings, especially in the Narrows. The $35 entrance fee covers 7 days. Springdale, just outside the park, is a convenient base with hotels, restaurants, and gear rentals. Zion demands participation. Walk its trails, wade its river, and feel the rock beneath your hands. It rewards effort with beauty and a deep sense of connection. This is a sanctuary carved not just from stone, but into the memory of all who visit. Prepare, respect the elements, and let Zion's grandeur move you. Ready for the next adventure? Let's journey west to a land of granite giants. Yosemite awaits. The wild road continues. We now travel west to California's Sierra Nevada, to the legendary Yosemite National Park. Yosemite Valley is the heart of the park, granite cliffs, thundering waterfalls, and serene meadows. El Capitan and Half Dome dominate the skyline, challenging climbers and inspiring awe. Summer is peak season, waterfalls roar, meadows bloom, and trails beckon. Walk among ancient sequoias in Mariposa Grove, giants that have stood for millennia. Glacier Point offers a panoramic view of the valley, Half Dome, and the High Sierra. The Mist Trail takes you close to Vernal and Nevada Falls, where rainbows dance in the spray. The Merced River provides a tranquil escape. Raft, swim, or relax on its banks. As the sun sets, granite cliffs glow with alpenglow, transforming the valley. Planning is crucial. Reservations are often required in summer and accommodations fill up fast. The $35 entrance fee covers 7 days, but check the park's website for reservation details. Gateway towns like Groveland and Mariposa offer alternative lodging, but arrive early to beat the crowds. Yosemite is more than a beautiful valley. It's a symbol of conservation and inspiration. To visit is to walk in the footsteps of giants, both natural and human. Stand in the midst of a waterfall beneath ancient trees and gaze at a landscape that feels divine. Yosemite is pure wonder, an experience that stays with you. Ready to head north? The crown of the continent awaits. Let's continue our epic journey. The wild calls, will you answer? Onward to Glacier. Our journey turns north to Montana's Glacier National Park, the crown of the continent. Here, dramatic peaks, pristine forests, and turquoise lakes create a landscape shaped by ancient ice. Glacier's namesakes are vanishing. See them now, before they're gone. Summer is fleeting but glorious. The Going to the Sun Road opens, revealing jaw-dropping mountain vistas. This 50-mile drive climbs over the Continental Divide at Logan Pass, with every turnout offering a new perspective. At Logan Pass, hike to Hidden Lake Overlook or the Highline Trail. Alpine meadows burst with wildflowers. The Highline Trail traverses narrow ledges with breathtaking views and chances to spot mountain goats. Glacier's lakes, colored by glacial silt, are perfect for kayaking or simply soaking in the scenery. Lake McDonald and St. Mary Lake are must-sees, but Grinnell Lake, reached by boat and trail, is a true alpine gem. Weather is unpredictable. Dress in layers and be ready for anything. The $35 entrance fee covers 7 days, but a vehicle reservation is required for the Going to the Sun Road. Plan ahead. Gateway towns like West Glacier and St. Mary offer services, while historic lodges inside the park provide rustic charm. Glacier is wild, ancient, and humbling, a sanctuary for wildlife and a reminder of nature's fragility. Stand on a peak and feel on top of the world, surrounded by endless mountains. This is a place that stirs the soul and demands preservation. Prepare, respect the wild, and let Glacier's beauty inspire you. Ready for one last adventure? Let's head east to the land of blue smoke. The journey continues. Will you follow? The Smokies await. Our final stop is Great Smoky Mountains National Park, straddling North Carolina and Tennessee. The park's signature blue haze is a natural phenomenon, giving the mountains a mystical, dreamy quality. Summer here is a lush green paradise, old-growth forests, rich biodiversity, and deep human history. Over 800 miles of trails wind through forests of tulip poplars, hemlocks, and oaks. Hike to Clingman's Dome, the park's highest point, for sweeping views of rolling ridges. Cades Cove offers a step back in time, historic cabins, churches, and a working grist mill, plus abundant wildlife. Waterfalls abound. Laurel Falls, Grotto Falls, and Abrams Falls are summer favorites. The trail to Grotto Falls even lets you walk behind the waterfall for a cool, misty reward. Unlike other parks, there's no entrance fee, making the Smokies accessible to all. Summer weather is warm and humid with frequent afternoon showers. Always carry rain gear. Temperatures drop with elevation, so be prepared for cooler air at higher points. Gateway towns like Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, and Cherokee offer plenty of amenities in contrast with the park's tranquility. The Smokies offer a softer, more intimate beauty, found in the richness of life, deep history, and gentle light. This is a place to slow down, look closer, and listen to the forest's quiet whispers. Let the Smokies remind you of the simple joys of nature. Ready to wrap up our journey? The adventure doesn't end here. The wild is always waiting. Which park will you explore first? Let's close our epic road trip. Your adventure awaits. Our journey across these magnificent landscapes comes to a close. We've felt the Earth's heat in Yellowstone, walked canyons in Zion, and stood in awe of Yosemite's granite giants. We've witnessed Glacier's fleeting majesty and wandered the misty forests of the Smokies. These 5 parks are just a glimpse of the wonders waiting to be discovered. The wild is out there. Where will you go first? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and keep exploring. Until next time.